What is O others? Yes. Okay. So this is the output, what we are seeing now. And how would I remove this flag from here? I go to Advanced Report. Edit. I will remove the analytical indicator from the options, and that would not show the value again. Now I will show you education. Last day we were using education in the simple report. If you see education there, it is a multi-instance field, right? So why is that so? Because a worker can have multiple educations. Right. Yeah. So this person has local, has to universities. Now, if I want to go to the detail of this education, I should use this as a OK. So if I want to get into the detail of education, I should use the education as a business object because if you see the education report field, which is a multi-instance field, it's coming inside worker business object, right? But the related business object is education. Okay. So last day I was talking about the relationship between two tables by some employee idea or something like that. Yeah. Now, if you related the relation between so the secondary business object is a secondary table. Now, if I go to relation, link to related business object, link to related business object. If I go here as worker, so here is the relation between worker and education. If I click on to, so these are the fields, what creates the bridge between worker and education. Okay. Now I go to report field and replace worker with education. Now if I see select education, school. Are we doing the same calculated field male, female? No, it is not a calculated field. So it is actually a work to deliver field. So I am just creating an area where it would show the education row wise. So it will split the row. Okay. So in a report is field calculated. Field will be taken as a field only. Yes. Yes. Can add as a field, and here for this one, if you see this education. Now, what is this? The multi-instance field, right? And what? For whatever fields, you get a related action. There you can create and open that field in a new window or a new tab on the same window. So this is the education location. Okay, and if you see the history as well, so who has created the education for? Okay, so this is just for example. So selecting education in the same field, it would show you the education for this employee. And if you see select education with a related business object, it will give you the detail of that education. Okay. So, for example, if I want to use that year degree received, I want to use the year degree received here inside worker business object. Are you getting that value, that particular field? So I want to use this year degree received here. So are we getting that? Yeah, no. Year highest degree received is used. But what you want? I want the year degree received. So it is not coming here. It would not come because it is not a field which is residing inside worker business. Object, it is for education, business. Object, what is this icon for the go back the year highest degree? Yeah, just be here. Date symbol. Date. Calendar symbol. It is so small. I think if I click there only it will show what it is. Yeah, once you click that, then only it will show. By just a rag. That symbol we cannot identify in the middle. No symbol you cannot identify. But you are seeing it in the remote screen. So that is why maybe it is too small. Once you have it in your. Correct. Now, if we select this year degree received, it is showing you as business object education. But if you go to year, highest degree received, it is from workers. Correct. So that is why it is coming inside worker business object and the year degree received coming inside education business object. So what are the type of calculated fields you have seen today? One is text constant. One is evaluate expression. And the other is true, false condition. True, false condition. So your next job, your homework, would be adding a field. Like. Yes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Yes, yes. 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 Yes, yes. 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 So this would be your homework.